Hello boaters, I had a bit of a problem with an overhanging branch today. I'm boating down the canal and there's an oncoming hire boat. It's actually a bit closer than it appears to be in this video, probably something to do with the camera lens. Would normally pass it with no problem, but of course there's an overhanging branch coming up on the right there. And in this case I judged that I could get under that alright, because if I was to, I would normally swerve around it of course, but that would put me in the way of the oncoming boat. Anyway, in this case I judged that I could get under that branch alright. So the view is now switched to the rear camera down at my end of the boat, and under the branch we go. No problems. However, there was another branch coming up as well. Now the thing you want to watch is my sack trolley on the roof. It's upside down and it's chained on. So here's the other branch, and the oncoming boat is much closer now, so I don't really have much choice, but this one looked about the same as the last one, so I thought we'll aim for the towpath because it looks a bit higher there, and hope for the best. Ouch! Good job that sack trolley was chained onto the roof, but it's even more lucky that it didn't smash my window as it fell over the side. Phew, that was a very close one. Quite seriously though, there is a real problem with overgrown trees on the canals. They prevent you seeing around corners and under bridges, and of course we have the overhanging branch problems as well. It really should be tackled. Anyway, at least there was no harm done this time, and I expect the people in that boat had a really good laugh at me as well. These things happen. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.